Hi, so I got the Shark Mop Vac. Sorry, had a moment. And I am so damn surprised. This is what came off my floor, and that is what it vacuumed up. So I did not realize that when you vacuum it, it actually is inside the pad. So you don't have to worry about emptying a vacuum. Isn't that nice? I mean, holy cow. And this is what I got. This is where you put the liquid, the back, and you charge it right there, the bright green. Neon green, sorry. But anyways, I've not noticed any stickiness. It's awesome with cleaning, apparently. And it's really neat that when it vacuums up, you can just throw in the garbage because it's on the pad. And I did find some reusable pads. And all you have to do with those is either throw them in the washer and then dry them outside, or wash them in the sink and then dry them outside or in your bathroom or somewhere. But they also have the option to where you can vacuum up stuff. But I love this sucker. I have a Shark vacuum, the pet one. I love all the Shark products. Anyways, thank you very much. I have not ordered the bottle of cleaning liquid yet. I'm kind of scared to because everyone's has been damaged. I just got the sample one that came in it, this tiny one, which I'm going to get the same flavor. They call it lavender, even though it's not. But anyways, just wanted to let you know that. And there's a review. 5 out of 5. Thank you.
I didn't want to show my dirty bathroom, but I wanted to show you guys just how well this Shark thing works. I really like the way it works. It takes up the dirt and it also washes the floor. So the best thing I thought to help you guys to see how this thing works is to show you the money. So here you go. I'm just going to do the vacuum first.
And I'll show you that first. That's inside. You know, usually come to the back because see, that gets caught on the side if you don't go face first. You gotta go in first. And I like the way it did that.
I'm sorry about that. I had to do half and half because I had stuff in the way. So now I'm done doing all of the sweeping part. Okay. So now we're going to wash. We're going to spray. See this part right here? We're going to spray. And now you just mop. Just like that. And I like to go backwards a little bit because when it gets wet, you don't want to have to push it. You don't want to push any dirt. But most of the dirt has already gotten taken up. So if you want to do any extra, but you cannot vacuum after you've already gotten this wet. So now I'm wetting the floor and I'm mopping. So I like to get in the corners right there, and I'll get the towel and get in the corner on that one. But basically, it's really nice. I like this. You can get a lot clean like this. If I can let you guys see that. See how that looks? With the light on. I know that. Just do not try to mop. Do not vacuum after you mop. Because if you vacuum after you mop, you will ruin this. You will ruin this thing here. See? So this is, I can still finish cleaning and doing more with this.
I can do a lot more. I can just clean these little edges because this is the bathroom and hair and stuff gets on it. But basically, my mat is not dirty to the where I need to replace it. I've done my entire house. The bathroom seems to be a lot more of a problem up in here. But here's the inside here.
All of that. I don't know if I can make it easier for you. It sucked it all up inside. So let me show you how this comes off. You push that and that pops off. I did this. And this is what you have. Really like this. Now, the only thing I don't like is, no matter what, it's still a mat and it still pushes stuff around. So make sure you do a good job vacuuming before you start doing the mopping, because they really are thin. But I'm going to let this dry and use it again to finish off the other bathroom. And then I'll be done with this one. But basically, how you put it on, lay it on the floor, just like that. Pop it on. Well, wait. There we go, right? Okay, now. There we go. Now it snaps on and it's ready to go.